Hello and welcome to Sentiments. This is Donna Jackson of Donna Jackson LLC and DonnaJackson.biz. Today you will meet me in the kitchen. Today I invite you to come join me as I prepare one of my very favorite meals, broiled vegetables. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's briefly talk about aging and diet. Now, there's so many different diets that are out there, and there are so many different recommended diets to stay healthy. So, as we get older, we realize that diet can contribute to disease and can help prevent or eliminate some diseases. So the question is always, when it comes to dinner, what can we eat? And how exactly does diet and lead to disease prevention? Well, I'm not an expert on nutrition science, nor do I have any kind of a medical background, but I'm just happy to report that I'm relatively healthy for my age, and I'm going to prepare for you one of my very favorite meals that I feel like give me enough calories and enough macronutrients and micronutrients to sustain me. So that's what I would like to share with you today.
Hi, this is Donna Jackson, and you are watching Sentiments in the Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be preparing broiled vegetables. Now, why am I doing this? Well, because you need a little bit of variety when you try to cut back on consuming a lot of meals with a lot of calories. So, today I'm going to broil some vegetables. Now, what's important here is that in order to make this extra special, you will need to prepare your vegetables 24 hours in advance. And so what we're going to do after that is we're going to take them out of the refrigerator. They've already been marinating, and we're going to broil them. To finish it off, we're going to pair them with 1/2 cup or 130 grams of black beans, which will give us 8 grams of protein in that serving. That's going to be our meal. It's going to be delicious, you're going to love it, and you're going to prepare it just the way you like it. Again, my name is Donna Jackson, and you are watching Sentiments in the Kitchen. Today we're going to broil some wonderful seasonal vegetables. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to broil these vegetables that have been prepared. The first thing we want to do, this is our broiler pan, and hands are clean. We're going to spray the inside with cooking spray and the grapes themselves. Now, you may have asked, why did I include apples? Oh my goodness, they're very good. If you haven't tried them, please do. So what I'm going to do, my hands are clean. I'm going to place all my items on my broiler pan. This is it's too simple, and it offers a lot of variety. It's delicious, it's wonderful, and I hope that you do try this. So these have been marinating for 24 hours. I have turned my oven on broil. I have moved the top rack just beneath, maybe about 3 inches to 2 to 3 inches below the broiler. And so this particular meal should probably take altogether about 20 minutes to prepare. The thing that takes the longest is kind of the squash but I try to cut them in very, very slim pieces. It may look a little messy or whatever, but basically if you get everything on there, some items of course will cook quicker, faster than others because they're closer to the element, but you just want to move things around as they start to cook. I like mine to be a little bit charred. It brings out a lot of flavor, but these have been marinating for 24 hours. So what I will do throughout is, if I have a little bit of marinade left, of course I will use that to put over the top of my vegetables and everything. So as they cook, if they start to burn a little bit. But this is all you have to do. This is it. This is going to be the meal. It's going to be filling, so you don't have to worry about that. It's going to go in the oven, and you're going to watch this probably about every 8 minutes. Not quite 10, a little bit over 5, okay? So that's what we're going to do. And you keep watching. This has been part 1. All right, this is halfway through the process, and everything's looking really good. Some of the things are starting to cook. We've got some of our apples cooking here. It's going to turn this over. We're going to just use this fork to just turn things over as they need it. It looks like everything is cooking at the same pace. I just cannot wait to have this. So this I have taken out at about the 8-minute mark, but you'll just check it just to make sure. I think everything's coming along well. I tried to cut everything uniformly. Everything's looking good. It's going to go back in the oven for another 8 minutes. This has been part 2. I'm done. Everything is tender and ready to prepare. I am going to plate this, and I am going to have dinner right now. So thank you for watching. I hope you do enjoy your broiled vegetables. I hope you prepare them a day ahead, and I hope you will watch me in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment if there is a question or a comment that you'd like to make about this video. I am so happy that you could join me today, and I will be bringing you other videos very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.